Good morning, my dear students. Once again, I am welcoming all of you on this online class. Yesterday's class, we completed our paragraph number 8. Today, we are going to learn paragraph number 9 onwards and your textbook page number 4. Yesterday's class, what we came to know? We came to know as Timothy changed his habits when it started to grow up. So, what author's grandfather took decision? He took decision to shift Timothy to the nearest zoo. Your textbook page number 4, paragraph number 9. Let us start today's class. The nearest zoo was at Lucknow, 200 miles away. Reserving the first class compartment for himself and Timothy, no one would share a compartment with them. Grandfather took him to Lucknow, where the zoo authorities were only too glad to receive as a gift a well-fed and fairly civilized tiger. About 6 months later, when my grandparents were visiting relatives in Lucknow, grandfather took the opportunity of calling at the zoo to see how Timothy was getting on. I was not there to accompany them, but I heard all about it when he returned to Dehra. So, to shift Timothy to the zoo, which zoo his grandfather decided nearest zoo was in the Lucknow. Now, how take Timothy to there? So, and how far away was Lucknow from there? It was 200 miles away from there. Then grandfather, what done? He done reservation, first class compartment, railway's first class compartment reservation done for himself and Timothy. Both of them, his grandfather and Timothy, where they sat, both of them sat in the first class reservation compartment, and where he took him, his grandfather took him to the zoo, Lucknow. When grandfather and Timothy reached to the zoo authorities, zoo authorities, management members, their guard, all they welcomed to whom? To Timothy and grandfather. They got gift to their zoo because this Timothy was well fed. It was very clean. So they welcomed Timothy to the zoo. Grandfather left Timothy to the zoo, and once again where they came back, his grandfather came back to Dehra. About 6 months, when Timothy left in the zoo, after 6 months what happened? About 6 months later, when my grandfather were visiting relatives in Lucknow, after 6 months, there was some work, and grandfather and his grandmother decided to visit their relatives' house where those were living in Lucknow. Grandfather took the opportunity of calling at the zoo to see how Timothy was getting on. Suddenly, author's grandfather remembered, anyhow I am going to meet our relatives as well as I will meet my Timothy also. So his grandfather, to whom he called? His grandfather called to the zoo ringmaster. He called there, I am coming to Lucknow. Shall I come to visit your zoo also? I would like to see my Timothy. I was not there to accompany him. Our author is telling, when his grandfather decided to go and meet Timothy, at that time author was not there. He was back towards his mother and father, but he heard the story what happened. But I heard all about it when he returned to Dehra. But what happened after meeting Timothy? Once again, our author Ruskin Bond went to his grandmother's house, and what happened? His grandfather all told. Arriving at the zoo, grandfather made straight for the particular cage in which Timothy had been entered. The tiger was there, crouched in a corner, full grown and with a magnificent stripped coat. the tiger approached the bars and allowed grandfather to put both hands around his head. Grandfather stroked the tiger's forehead and tickled his ear, and whenever he growled, smacked him across the mouth, which was his old way of keeping him quiet. After meeting relatives, where went grandfather? Grandfather went towards zoo. Why he went towards zoo? He went towards zoo to meet Timothy. Grandfather reached to zoo and he took permission to go towards Timothy. He went straight inside, and where at first he went along with Timothy, and which cage was Timothy, straight he went there. He seen in one corner there was a tiger, and how it was totally grown up tiger and full grown and with magnificent striped coat. So nice, the skin of the tiger was looking so nice. Strips came, so shining strips was there, and the tiger approached the bars. As soon as grandfather went near to that cage, tiger came near to the bar. These are bars, is it or not? Big cage keeping for the wild animals, because those are very dangerous for human being. Suddenly who came? A tiger came there. Grandfather to put both hands around his head. Grandfather was done. He kept his two hands also inside the bar. Here showing, see on your textbook, page number 4. Grandfather stroked the tiger's forehead and tackled his ears. He tackled his ears and he kept his hand on forehead of that tiger, and whenever growled, smacked him across the mouth, which was his old way for keeping him quiet. So slowly grandfather took his hands near to mouth also. It was the olden way when Timothy was in the house. Same way grandfather was showing his love towards Timothy. Now your textbook, page number 5. So my dear students, what we came to know, how he left to zoo and how he welcomed there. After 6 months, when grandfather went there, what happened with him? Whether Timothy once again is seen there or not, I will teach you in the next class. Till then, take care. Have a nice day.